Have you ever wondered what the world would be like if we were the size of ants? A thought experiment that shrinks us down to a mere few millimeters tall. Our perspective of the world would be unrecognizably altered. Everyday objects would become monumental structures. A single step for us now would be a mountain to climb then. Our strength relative to our new size would be immense. We could carry objects many times our own weight, just like ants. But the world would also be fraught with new dangers. A simple rain shower would be a catastrophic flood. Insects and other small creatures would become terrifying predators, a constant threat to our existence. Our homes would be humble abodes, free of the natural world. We might even adopt a more communal lifestyle, living in vast underground cities, much like our six-legged counterparts. Our understanding of the world would be both limited and expanded. We would lose our macroscopic view, but gain an intimate knowledge of the microcosm. Art and creativity would find new expression on canvases of leaves and sculptures of sand. Our diet would consist of nectar, seeds, and other small organisms, a far cry from our current culinary landscape. Communication would be a challenge. Our voices, now tiny squeaks, would be lost in the cacophony of the natural world. We might develop new forms of communication, using pheromones or vibrations to stay connected. The very laws of physics would seem to change. Surface tension would become a powerful force, trapping us in a single drop of water. Wind, a gentle breeze to us now, would be a raging hurricane, capable of sweeping us away. Would be rendered useless. Our once mighty machines, now inert giants. We would have to rediscover the principles on a miniature scale, creating tools and structures from what we could find. Our lifespan, if we could survive, might even be altered. The frantic pace of our new lives could see us live for only a few short years. But our society would adapt. We would form new cultures, new traditions, new ways of life. We would learn to live in harmony with our new environment, becoming a part of the intricate web of life at this scale. We would develop a newfound respect for the small things, the creatures and plants we once overlooked. Our world would be smaller, yes, but also infinitely more complex and fascinating. A world of breathtaking beauty and terrifying danger. A world of constant discovery. So, the next time you see an ant, take a moment to consider the world from its perspective. A world that, for us, would be an adventure beyond imagination.